There we go. Alright, that should all be in order. Alright.
Time for some Ratchet Deadlocked.
I've never played this.
I love this game a lot.
Yay. Cooperative play?
Yeah. New game.
Let's load a game that doesn't exist. Hero!
If you want, I would recommend going with Contestant or Gladiator.
Let's go with Gladiator.
Because we're real tough cookies.
Because we die hard at cakewalks.
And final boss!
And final boss. Nobody else will get that.
We could always explain it.
What, the zombie game that we have no idea what to name yet?
Yes, we've made up a board game with no name. And by we, I mean, Auby's made up a board game with no name that I played with him, and
then he fleshed out the... Oh, that guy got fucked up. And then he fleshed out the, he fleshed out.
And now, robots die.
Who's that?
Yeah. Give it a few moments.
Gotcha.
Oh, I thought it was Ratchet.
Conclusion to one of the most exciting episodes of Dread Zone I have ever seen. Captain Starshield, the #1 ranked gladiator, has been terminated by Ace Hardlight. Ace has now eliminated a record 13 contestants in the regular season.
That wasn't Ratchet!
Give it time, Mr. Aubbs.
11 hours ago aboard the starship. I didn't catch it.
Incoming call from the mayor of Metropolis.
Superman?
The new mayor of Metropolis.
Oh, you mean,
Lex Luthor.
right. Just a sec. No,
Huh.
Greetings, Mayor. No. Well, long time no see. So Metropolis still in one piece, huh?
Greetings, Captain. I see you're taking good care of my old ship.
Well,
No, I pissed everywhere. I don't know how to use the litter box
yet.
yet.
Still running.
Of course. Anyway, I'm afraid I bring bad news. As you know, Captain Starshield disappeared over a month ago. I've just been...
Is that the guy we just watched get blasted?
Oh my
I
God.
think so.
Oh,
It's been a while since I
what
watched it.
happened?
Or played this game.
Apparently he was involved with some kind of illegal combat sport. Something called Dread Zone. We believe it was being run by this man, Gleeman Vox.
Obvious bad guy is obvious.
Oh, you don't think that's a nice, respectable mustache?
Nice, respectable shark face. She is Zombat? Wait, what is he called again?
Lombax.
Lombax.
And no, believe she's from the last game. Ratchet and Clank Up Your Arsenal. She's just a character.
Oh. Tutorial level!
Yeah, this does have a tutorial level at the beginning. It's not too bad.
Engine, huh?
Now compared to the Nexus!
Here we go.
Gotta teach you how to use the right analog stick, which this game does it too, but I don't think it's as bad
I
somehow.
like how the cutscenes are
The
not
ship
in
flying
widescreen.
places.
Alright, and also not in widescreen. Or were they? Were they in widescreen? I don't know. 6 months, nope, 6 that. Wow, never mind. I'm gonna stop reading.
You're good at time, Aubrey.
I'm good at time. I do time good.
Yeah.
We've captured subject 209, Mr. Vox.
Excellent.
What the fuck
Bring
is
him
that?
in.
It's adorable. You see, it's got the little feet and
How does it
ears.
survive? Why did evolution allow such a creature?
Give him collars and see if you can get some work out of them first.
It's probably bottom feeder.
Present time and an uncertain low caution. Oh!
More like high caution.
Welcome to
Danger.
Luigi's Mansion 3!
Hello in there.
Where the professor will let himself go.
You've been unconscious for hours.
Have
You're
I?
probably a little disoriented.
No, okay.
How many fingers am I holding up? Whoops. Looks like we've got a feedback loop in the visual matrix processor. Hold still a second.
Okay.
Well, I can be that good of a programmer and robo designer one day.
Okay, now to activate your speech function.
Fuck you!
Out of this thing, you blood-headed
Pretty much.
crack monkey! I can barely breathe and my tail feels like it's shoved right up my...
Yes.
There seems to be a problem with the speech circuitry. I'll take a look at it later.
Am I...
Now hold still. Let's just
Is he a
see if
robot
I
now?
wire that teleportation.
This isn't catching all that too much.
The new armor you're wearing is standard.
Make it easier to sync up.
Contestants?
Whoa!
Yeah, the cool armor you usually get at the end of Ratchet and Clank games.
That's awesome.
We must calibrate your battlesuit's targeting matrix.
Gotta sit through this.
Oh. Fantastic. How do... Ooh. That...
Yeah, no, figuring out the analog stick is pretty difficult.
Ooh.
I keep looking at the wrong screen.
Ooh. What'd you do, look up? Wow, won't let me do anything else. I don't like
Yeah.
that.
It's pretty much over after that.
Thank God. Okay, I got it. Oh.
I am transmitting a digital mini-map representation of the area. Can you see it?
And then we'll have some
Will
guys
show you
in
the positions of nearby enemies. I am reading 3 more holo targets in your vicinity. Are you wondering who your handsome new teammate is? Meet Alpha Clank.
I like that
In order to
Clank
boost
is
ratings,
talking you
Ratchet
through
has
this,
built a
but he's
second
obviously
fun
on the bottom
vibrator
screen.
part of me.
He's explaining that right now.
Apparently, I am quite popular in the shadow
Oh.
sector. Good, Ratchet. There should
Oh
be a
God,
teleporter
everybody's
nearby
gonna watch me
that will
fail.
take you to the next stage of the
Well, you
qualification
haven't
course.
played this. Have you even played any Ratchet?
I played the one for the PS3. The first one?
Future Tools of Destruction
I think so.
or Crack in Time?
I don't remember. I think it was Future Tools of
By the
Destruction.
way, you also have the option of
Ow.
using a third-person control scheme. You can change your control scheme.
Sorry, I want to go ahead and
that's fine.
see if I can
Adjust the
adjust.
sensitivity?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rotation speed. Let's see if that did it. Oh yeah, it's better.
Okay, let me do the same thing. Oh, riveting gameplay! I'm sorry, everybody. Wait. Can I go back? Okay. Where's it at?
Control options.
I knew
I
that.
was really debating giving you the slow clap just so you can keep up.
Okay, that's better. Let's tutorial it. Get
The
different
tutorial's
armor.
pretty much over. We just get to shoot things. Now.
Oh, okay.
Go in there and use the teleport.
Oh. Oh my God, I'm so bad.
Ratchet, you can expand your map at any time to get a better view of the
I didn't even know you could do this.
That's awesome.
I don't think I ever used that when I played.
The more we know. Oh shit.
Greetings, hero, and welcome.
Do you see his teeth?
Yeah.
What?
I don't remember this being a thing, but okay.
I didn't really test that too good.
Pardons, no possibility of escape.
Sometimes HD could be a bad thing.
On the greatest television program.
Put your goddamn teeth back in your mouth.
A celebrity gladiator.
Freaking me
He
out.
thinks he's Arlong.
I don't get that reference.
It's a One Piece reference.
Oh, okay.
He
Oh,
yeah, he was
I
trying to
know
pull
which
his
guy.
teeth out.
Yeah.
I
I remember that guy. I don't remember the show. Why does everybody only have 3 fingers? Is it a penguin?
So, good luck, hero.
Ratchet looks like as if he doesn't understand anything he's saying. He's just pretending. Like, yeah.
I think he's just used to
I
it at
don't.
this
I don't speak Dickanese.
point. Woo, laser bridge.
Oh, I gotta. Wait, what was that? I had a.
Square makes you use your melee.
Whoa. Smack the shit out of some balls.
They'll use razor blades to chop you when they get close. So.
Whoa, first person mode. Oh, how did I do that?
Do what?
I was making. Whoa, what's going on?
If you hold L1 and press square, okay, maybe L1 is jump for some reason. Where is it? L2 and square will make you throw it.
L2 and square. Whoa. Okay.
And then if you jump and use your melee attack,
Fuck it.
you do like this comet drop, which deals more damage, which is fun. Hey,
Don't enjoy your people's robot attacks.
New People's Republic of
Yay,
Robot
more
attacks.
people on TV. Hey, look, his teeth are fixed. Thank God.
That's vaguely less creepy.
Hey, again, he's like, yeah, I don't know what you're saying, Shark Man. I speak Spanish. I don't speak your language. What are those robots? What?
He's showing him how the collar around his neck works.
Oh.
But I'm afraid of knocking things.
Hold on, everybody. We're getting a chair. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Use the power of teamwork.
That was a lot heavier than I thought it was going to be. Or I'm very weak.
Hopefully the mic still
Probably
picks you up.
6. I don't see any reason it wouldn't.
Alright.
Ooh, adventure. If you haven't guessed yet, we haven't used this mic a whole lot.
Not a whole lot,
Yeah.
or any of this. Where noobs? Where noobs? I do the noob jump.
There's a teleporter in the center we gotta use. I'm just getting ammo out of these crates. Which I guess we're maxed out already.
I'm trying to increase my
Apparently-
athletics.
This isn't Skyrim. And apparently we can increase each other's ammo supply since we share the weapons. Because I picked up dual viper ammo a second ago.
Cute.
And like the first cheat you unlock is gangsta aiming, where you hold your guns all gangster style.
Completely destroying your aim.
This place is crazy.
Oh fuck, you little robot! I don't know where I'm at. I saw Shark Man with teeth come out of his face. I don't speak English.
Try not to forget that we are being held prisoner by a criminal organization.
That was, look at his eyeballs fucking up.
No time for
It was an older
fantasizing.
time back in the PS2 era.
Yeah,
We only had so much.
they did okay with it. I think it's just the transfer to
More
HD.
importantly, anything good I can buy up here.
I didn't do that.
I did.
Oh, okay.
Chill Link, yeah. As soon as the Scorpion Flail or the Sniper Rifle come up, which I can't remember what the Sniper
Where's my
Rifle's
cool
called.
helmet?
You don't need it here.
I
You're not
want
fighting
it.
things.
Oh, that's weird that that button makes you
Do I
jump as
have
well.
this yet?
L1 makes you jump.
Yeah. Threw me off too. Later on we get a dash, which we don't have yet. It would be
Boy,
nice.
would
It
it
helps
be
you travel around
nice.
faster.
Where are you going?
Not really sure.
Oh, I can't shoot in here
Oh, I
either.
guess I don't need to go.
So I guess
Use
this
your
is
melee.
this is the,
This is the hub world, yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
But we
follow
still
the
get
star
axes.
on the map. Wrenches.
Oh.
It's the Omni Wrench.
Oh, it's a wrench?
It's the Omni Wrench,
Oh.
whatever year it is.
Omni wrench 92.
Diggs?
I mean, what's all the hardware for?
Don't look at my
Call
robot
this the
junk.
mission control room. Each contestant is assigned a mission
Where my
engineer to
eyeballs
monitor
fucking up.
their
Jesus.
progress.
Right. So what's his face?
I was playing Parasite Eve, so there's like a million
It's a lot,
graphical
yeah,
times
it's
better than
fucked
what I
up.
was playing.
Oh, good lord, it's Sharky McFuckface. How does this guy keep hacking into our system and putting his ugly mug on our computer screens?
He's running this place. It's a
Oh.
illegal combat arena place we're in. Being televised. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention.
Loading screen.
No, this is clearly showing up. Yeah.
Okay. I keep looking at the wrong thing. I want to see if I have any other skins unlocked yet.
I God of War roll yet?
Nope.
Wow.
I gotta get skill points to unlock others.
Oh, you can unlock new. Oh, this game looks pretty awesome now.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of skins.
Let's unlock
And then the
all
skill
this.
points, which are all over the place. But yeah, that's other stuff like this.
Looks really fun.
And then we gotta take that ship. I don't remember if we can do anything with what's his face. I can't remember his name. God, I have not played these in so long.
Unimportant
Guess
character
not.
number 2.
Let's see.
Sure can whack the fuck out of him.
I guess it's later on, but eventually you can. I think if I remember correctly, you can see Courtney Gears on one of these TVs.
Oh yes, Courtney Gears. I already.
It's a robot spoof on Britney Spears. If it wasn't obvious.
Oh, I know I wasn't. I'm stupid. Oh, we're out of here.
Let's blow this pop stand.
Courtney Gears. That's clever. Topical too.
Clever.
We thank you for choosing Fox Airways for your traveling.
Welcome to
We
Rapture.
do hope you have a pleasant flight. Sit back, relax, and enjoy our in-flight entertainment, courtesy of the Fox.
I like the bad guys that don't have like minions to do the stuff for them, that don't have minions to explain things. He personally sees to it himself. Oh,
Will you lose your lunch if you have to watch one more reality dating show? Is your blogs gone wild, video scratched
Hey.
from overuse? Then it's time to turn that dial to something a little more dangerous.
so you want us to jack off to something dangerous?
It's time to blow it up!
Hey.
That's right, it's time for Dread Zone, the galaxy's #1 uncensored, unethical, and completely underground combat sport. Blasting straight at you, live from the Battle Dome.
Oh, I thought that was Aperture Science
And
Labs.
now, on pay-per-view, watch as Ratchet and Clank take on
Pay-per-view still exists in the future?
and the Exterminators.
Yeah. Why wouldn't it?
Oh, yeah, that's true. Whoa, I want to be that big dude. Can I be him?
I think you get pseudo skins of them. Like they're 2R size. I'm pretty sure you get one of the Eviscerator, which is the bug claw looking dudes.
Gentlemen, that is the Eviscerator's fourth
It's just a
victim
bunch of
already
arena battling?
this
'Cause I'm okay with
season.
that.
Yes and no. There's some arena battles and then there's some actual maps where you have goals and stuff you have to do.
Well, he's probably just intermittent
Juanita.
material, folks, but
And I
don't
think
worry,
the announcer's name is Dallas.
Hydro Girl coming up later, so stay tuned to Dread
Looks
Zone.
just like you.
Well,
be wrong on that again.
Look, it's the non-English-speaking wombat, or whatever it is. Lambex.
Lombax. Whoa!
Oh, that was horrifying. I don't even think it was English. It just.
And those ships, once you get better weapons, you can actually destroy the drop ships.
Nice. Oh, time to block. Whoa. What am I using?
You're using the B2 Devastator, I think it's
Oh,
called.
I like.
It's your grenade.
Is there a way to not use that so I don't waste it? Okay, I got it. Shoot.
Probably.
Oh man, you're doing all
And
better.
the more you use the weapons, the more experience they gain, they'll level up.
I wonder if that's a lot.
Oh no, why don't you jump in and find out?
I'm not doing such a thing. Oh god, I almost did such a thing.
Yeah, sometimes it'd be easier to turn your camera sideways. Of course, these are health crates. Oh, there's guys.
Don't worry. I'll get them with my gun. What?
Oh, shotgun.
You can't touch that floor?
That's not a floor. That.
Oh, well that's misleading for me.
Would it surprise you if I told you that fire hurts you? Because it shouldn't.
It shouldn't? Why shouldn't it hurt you?
No, it shouldn't be surprising.
Oh, I was about to say. No, that's not surprising.
Nope. Nope.
Oh, surprised! Can I shoot down that airship? No.
You can, but you need much more powerful weapons.
Oh. I am doing nothing.
Well, I have a
This is
shotgun, so
How do I get said shotgun?
I'm using it so you can.
Oh, that's horseshit.
That's what I told you
Well,
before we played.
Oh, I forgot. You know me. I
Ah,
forget things.
that's not at all what I wanted to do. Good job.
Thanks. Just gonna assume that you're congratulating me on my stupidity.
I need ammo.
Please. Oh! Auby died.
What?
I got killed.
Oh, we are playing Gladiator.
Oh, yeah!
That's basically like hard.
Oh,
It's not even normal. We put it on hard.
we're not normal though.
That's why it's taking me multiple shots to wipe guys out.
Yeah, I got ammo.
I'm guessing as long as one of us stays alive, the other one respawn to something else.
Something like that, probably. I don't see no lives.
If we both
Oh,
die, I
hell.
think we go back to the checkpoint.
Do this?
Only one of us can turn at a time.
So I
It's cool
wasn't.
because we're... Well, I think we're tethered to a certain point on each other. I don't think I can go too ridiculously far ahead of you.
Oh.
Ratchet, my scanners show an extremely deadly 70mm stalker turret ahead of you. You need to complete the cover immediately.
Okay, this is going to be fun.
You will have to use
Is that
it
sarcastic?
to take them down.
Yes.
Don't worry, I got.
I think we have to get behind it to, like,
So
deactivate
one
the
of us
shield or
has to draw
something.
aggro.
It will appear in the
Don't worry, I'm on it, Captain.
Could be wrong.
Just press the directional button.
I got it, don't worry.
Of the desired gadget to equip it. Then press the circle.
Teamwork!
No.
Once it is equipped,
I'm just jumping
Wait,
over the
that's
bull-
right. I remember now.
Yeah, now you booked. Dr. Eggman can't stop
See the
us!
lower left-hand screen? Those are your gadgets. You have to use the D-pad to select them. I had to use the disruptor thingy.
We got a green medal. I don't think that's very good.
I think you just get a green medal for that challenge. I don't think there's actual different thing.
Challenge complete!
Catacrom? Fool.
It's the Lilat system.
No, what I...
Corneria? Star Fox. Not Star Wars Fox.
Stairfax temperatures!
Fixed.
It's got dinosaurs, so you know what's good.
Yeah! I keep leaning back in the ash that I spilled on the ground. Because I'm a special kind of person.
Sounds like a disaster.
How sexy his skinny Tim Burton ass is. So he's not actually superior, he's working for the bad guy.
It's because my fans can't stand Ace Hardlight. He's a populist with the charisma of Blondian Nazis.
So, what do you say exactly?
Cuss words that are bleeped! That's what I'm saying.
Spending $1 trillion volts a day on worthless.
Somebody smeared shit on your upper lip there, Shark Man.
Out of the market. Either you start selling this
Oh.
show, or I'll find someone who will. Not get out of my sight.
Sis.
I know one thing I need to change too.
What's that? Your attitude?
When you get to the challenge acceptance screen and stuff, it's a tiny little thing, but you can change the color.
Of?
It's here. If I can remember how.
I'm gonna change the color of my lungs to black by having a cigarette.
May only be player 1 able to do. Yeah, I think it is.
Don't worry, folks. Technical difficulties.
We can do it later.
That's what she said.
Just a small thing that irritates me. I don't like the light blue very much. Let's go to the next area. Let's see if we got a star. We can do anything else. I guess not.
Split up, gang. What's this? Oh.
That's our next thing. Let's see if there's anything new with the vendor. Max out ammo. I mean, do you want the acid mod? I think it can go on your gun.
Not really.
Interplanetary transport.
Magic!
The Dreadzone Battle Course will
Catachrome
challenge you to
4.
fight your way to the Catachrome Burial Dome and across hallowed ground where you will be haunted by the robot undead. That's right, folks. Undead robots.
Yeah, that makes sense.
We've got zombies of things that were never living. Wait until we get to see the
So
ghost
they're
robot zombies.
They're the undead?
This game has ghost robot zombies.
Why?
I don't think I need to explain any more about the fact that that's a thing.
Well, I mean, technically, I guess if a human's brain can make a ghost, then a robot's AI can make a ghost.
Talking about an undead thing that was never living.
Yeah? This a head AI? I mean, who's to say what life is or not?
Me.
You are not God. You are a final boss. There's a difference. You usually think you're God, and then you get taken down by the Zelda of Time. I mean, Link of Time. Hero of Time. Stop laughing at me! Oh, there's sexual tension.
Really outdid themselves in turning this once sacred robotic burial ground into a deadly Dread Zone battle course.
And look, here comes today's first contestant. Oh,
I should put my helmet on, I can't breathe!
in the bottom of the barrel to find
Oh, well.
Calm down, Buzz Lightyear.
I hope you folks at home aren't too screaming.
Kinda looks like Buzz
because
Lightyear.
the next one
Minus
is
everything.
clear.
Kinda looks like Buzz Lightyear if you look nothing like Buzz Lightyear.
He put on his visor and one eye was still showing through the visor. I'm enjoying the glitches.
It would be really nice if you didn't stop, you know, everything.
The whole thing. Hold on, guys, we're shopping. Don't shoot us. Don't kill us.
Oh yeah, that's right. These are things for, you know, the robots you get when you don't have another player.
I hate it in movies when they're playing video games and shit, and they use terms that don't apply to the video game they're playing. Like in Fanboys, they're playing Mario Kart. Fucking one of the characters puts down the controller to go answer the door. He's like, "Don't kill me! You're fucking playing a racer game."
Hey, I hate when they're playing games that like show the logo and they won't be using the right controller.
Yeah, that's true.
Or they'll have a controller.
Playing Sonic the Hedgehog with a Super Nintendo controller.
I think it was Heroes where they like they were playing Heavenly Sword before it was released. But he was
really?
using an Xbox controller.
What a miracle. Am I dead?
Upgrade your Dreadzone weaponry and improve your maximum nanotech
You leveled up. One of us leveled up something.
Sure it wasn't me, because I suck.
Or we leveled up our health. That's what it was. We leveled up our health.
Look at this, we're badasses.
Badass over here.
Got a badass over here.
I don't know if there's a pit down here. Yeah, there's electrified panels. Using a shotgun, I can only get so close to these things.
Do I shoot them till they work?
No, you drop the disruptor.
Cool.
Glad I remembered that. We've been stuck here for a while. Jump pad.
Whee! Well, that was easy.
That was one part of this level.
Oh, excuse me.
We get to compete for kills here. You can see it's fun. Me and my cousin used to do that all the time.
Compete for kills.
Locate the land
Continues
stalker.
toward the Catachrome Burial Dome. They'll need to cross what I like to call the chasm of endless falling and eventual dying. In the unlikely event that
There's
they
a skill
survive,
point for
they'll
blowing
take
up all
control
those
of the
cameras,
big,
but it's
bad,
more fun to
and
do
burly walking armored tank called the Landstalker.
When you have
Good
better
luck,
equipment.
kids.
Well, just I think there's a mission where you can just run around here with a land stalker.
You know, your spaceships can't be very good when 2 bullets take them down.
Anyway,
Oh, those aren't spaceships, I realized the cameras. God. I am no smart.
Wow, should not have set it to this level. These
What, like,
these crap zombies take 2 shots for me to kill.
Nice. Oh no! Damn, one hit took down most of my health. Run and gun, baby. Do we just gotta kill him, or do we just gotta...
I mean, you can kill them if you want. They'll get them out of the way. But we've got to go turn the cranks.
Damn, they take forever to fucking kill. Screw these guys.
What, the robot zombies?
Yeah.
It's because you're using those guns. They deal less damage.
Well, I don't
but
have any
a higher
other
cost.
strong gun besides the grenade thing. I don't have very many grenades.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. There's ammo. Every single one of those green crates is ammo, and I think they respawn. So
Well, in that case, I'm getting the...
may as well use it. Oh, man. Oh, crap.
Fucking use the goddamn...
Oh, there's a turret up there. Be careful.
the cigarette out, 'cause
I'm
I
heading back to see if that health is still here, because I am not doing a happy job.
I'll take it.
Oh, too far
oh,
away.
fuck. Okay, hold on.
I'm coming back.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Alright, so we're gonna have to use some stratagem on this
So you
thing.
mean run at it and swing.
Not at all what I mean.
Run
Oh,
at
there's
it
a
and
health
swing.
crate right here.
Don't worry, buddy. I got it. I will help us. Almost out of ammo.
Okay, that's
There's
it.
a nut. What does
Yep.
this do?
Press square and then rotate the animal stick.
You got it.
And guys will fly after you, which
Oh,
I've got to
yeah.
take care of.
Good thing that all these things require a ratchet.
Wrench.
Wrench. That's what I said, right?
And don't forget to use your mini-map so you can see where enemies are.
Oh,
Like when
yeah.
they're right
I
below
kept,
you.
I kept forgetting about this thing. Don't you dare hurt my robot.
Oh, yeah.
Overkill. Health drop.
Sweet.
Killing spree.
My magna cannon's almost
I
gone
keep
up
trying to do a lull of duty. Keep trying to do a Call of Duty and pressing L1 to zoom. And that
That's
doesn't...
L2 for first person. Who's up there? Look at this guy.
You will die. You must die. Nice.
That guy didn't fare so. Look at it's just legs.
It's just legs.
Magna cannon's reached level 2. Thanks for covering up half my screen.
Speaking of legs, mine are falling asleep. Oh, crikey.
Look at all these guys behind me.
Back the boxes, get some ammo. I got 2 grenades left to use.
Okay, anyways.
Fuck you.
And there's the last thing we got.
Oh, it's almost time to quit.
We can run a little over that. At least till we can complete the next objective.
Come on, objective. Oh,
God.
I got your back. No, I don't. I'm out of ammo. How do I switch?
You can expand your map at any time to get a better view of the
Okay,
area.
run, because I don't know how to do things. There we
Don't
go.
worry, you got me.
You're like a very useful navvy.
Hey, listen! We can come over here to complete this goal!
Thank you, Navi.
Hey, listen! Zombies damage you!
Thank you, Navi. No, I didn't know it was Death Mountain. I just saw a giant ring of fire. Assumed it was Peace Mountain.
Don't fall in the lava or you'll die!
Really no
Warrior
shit.
needs food badly!
Green Warrior is about to die. Thank you, talking health bar.
Ratchet,
Oh, yeah!
at any time to get
I leveled up my magna cannon off the impact mod, so now I can knock things on there.
Oh,
Boom! Impact! Impact!
oh, health. No, I need health. Oh, yeah. Oh, health feels so good. Man, I need a better gun. Because these grenades just aren't hacking it. Speaking of hack.
And slash.
Hack and slash, brawl and bash. My favorite potatoes are mashed. I have no other rhymes. Cash.
Smash!
Hold lightly tap. You know, the attacking with a wrench in this game right now is fucking useless. Sorry, I'm trying to get close, but
It gives us a timer in the middle of the screen when we get too
I
far away.
can't switch to my fucking gun. And guess what? I died. I am balls at this game.
I haven't had as much practice. I've beaten this on the highest difficulty, so... Of course, I had better upgraded weapons for that. Oh! I died.
Don't worry, I'll stay alive.
3,
New objective, stay alive.
1, 0.
Oh, I keep thinking that's an item. It's a fucking enemy. No wonder it's hurting me.
What, those balls?
Yeah, I keep trying to pick it up and it hurts me with its spikes.
Alright, I don't know if we have the thing we need for this yet.
Le fuck? What's this? It's dangerous? That's dangerous.
Okay, there's the thing we need to do over here. I get it now.
Ooh, the thing. Ooh, the thing. I went the wrong way.
Guess we have to go around. Let me try this first.
Wait,
I'm pretty sure we double jump and press circle to use this. Yeah. I'm glad the game explained that.
I'm Samus Aran.
By the game explained that, I mean I had to remember that from playing this in the past.
Yeah, yeah. Why no use of tutorial?
Okay, there we go. Challenge.
Look at the hero of the game, stuck behind. How many kills? Player 1 kill. Oh my god. Well, it's clearly I won through golf
I guess
points.
we're stopping right here for now.
Alright, next time.